Hello everyone, today we have a student of e-Techno Mind. His name is Arnav and he'll be giving us a demo of triple into single digit multiplication.
Hello everyone, my name is Arnav Khantwal and I live in West Delhi. And today I'll be giving you all the demo of triple into single digit multiplication.
Okay Arnav. 312 multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, 936.
Correct. 546 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, 2730.
Correct. 636 multiplied by 4.
Ma'am, 2544.
Correct. 413 multiplied by 6.
Ma'am, 2478.
Correct. 161 multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, 1127.
Correct. 154 multiplied by 6.
Ma'am, 924.
Correct. 316 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, 1580.
Correct. 562 multiplied by 3.
Can you repeat?
562 multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, 1686.
Correct. 293 multiplied by 8. 293 multiplied by 8.
Ma'am, 2344.
Correct. Well done, Arnav.